bank statement. So until unless when you receive the bank statement, the company will not know what are the transactions has been happened from the bank side. Okay, so let us understand the process now. So if you look at here,
సార్ లైక్ క్వశ్చన్
yeah,
కంపెనీ
question.
కంపెనీ ప్రాసెస్ చేస్తేనే కదా వీళ్ళు పే చేసేది బ్యాంక్ వాళ్ళు.
I'll come back to your question, sir. Okay, first basic thing. So vendor invoice. Do you agree? Vendor invoice. Either something will come from the non-PO, which is FB60, correct? Direct FI transaction, or from the Myro transaction. Before Myro, what you will have? Goods receipt, MyGo. Before goods receipt, what we'll have, sir? Which is, sir? Hmm?
పర్చేజ్ ఆర్డర్.
Is this is correct? First purchase
Purchase
order,
order.
then goods receipt, then Myro, which is invoice receipt. This is your PO process. But whereas for this one, I mean direct FI transaction, this is from the MM side. If you are procuring materials from the MM side, I mean purchase order perspective, then this is a process. From the FI side, nothing. I mean just direct posting an invoice. Now after this one, what will be the next step? Vendor payment, right? Where we post manual payment, F dash 53, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And from the mem side, the payment, see either F dash 53 or F110 automatic payment program. Payment run, we have the payment run also, where we can make multiple payments can be done from here. Payment program, multiple for the multiple vendors, we can make the payment. We can make payment via payment program, right? Similarly for this one also, right? The payment, this is a common invoice, right? I mean payment will be same for both of them. There is no difference, correct? Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
This is correct. Now you tell me now. At the time of vendor payment, what will be the accounting entry, sir? At the time of payment, what will be the accounting entry?
Purchase.
Sir, you are making payment to vendor. What will be accounting entry? Vendor debit. Sir, accounting entries, sir. Simple bank outgoing account, right?
Yes.
Sandeep sir, practice sir.
సార్ మొత్తం మొత్తం ఆడు
మర్చిపోయా.
క్రెడెన్షియల్ లాస్ చేసి మొత్తం అకౌంట్
తీసుకోండి.
డిలీట్ చేసిండు.
Take it from me now. At least you can use my idea also. No need to
అది
worry. I can share with you.
అది
And
బట్
నా
మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళ
expectation.
స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి
క్రెడెన్షియల్
చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది సార్. మళ్ళీ నాది కూడా సందీప్ అదే పొజిషన్.
అది నిన్న నేను ట్రై చేసిన సార్, లైక్ 1 hour కూర్చున్నా. ఒక్కొక్క స్క్రీన్ ఓపెన్ కావడానికి అట్లీస్ట్ 10
సో
మినిట్స్.
ఓకే, మీకు కష్టంగా ఉందంటే మీరు యూ కెన్ యూజ్ మై.
లేదు, టిల్ అంటే మొన్న లాస్ట్ వీక్ దాకా ఉంది, బట్
ఓకే
ఆల్ ఆఫ్ సడన్ మొత్తం
ఓకే.
వెళ్ళిపోయింది.
సో దిస్ is understood, right? Vendor payment, vendor
Yes,
to
sir.
bank outgoing account.
బ్యాంక్.
Either manual payment or payment run. Vendor debit, outgoing credit. This is called open item account. So this is something that we are processing in SAP. This is everything is in SAP only. We are doing it in SAP. We are doing it in SAP, right? This is also SAP. Okay, everything in SAP only we are performing. Correct?
Yes.
SAP only. So So I made payment to the vendor. Maybe I have issued a check to the vendor. I don't know check has been cleared or not. But at that in SAP system, I'm making a payment. But we are making payment with clearing account, bank outgoing clearing account. This is called clearing account. Okay. When you make F110, it will go with this account, outgoing account, bank outgoing, which is clearing open item account. When this will get cleared? When you
బ్యాంక్
receive at the bank,
బ్యాంక్
when you
రిలీజ్
receive. So
చేశాక
but how bank will come to know whether the bank has to pay me this payment or not? You will be providing details, all your details, F110 details will be provided to the F110 details. What details? Payment details. F110 payment details will be provided to bank via DMEE. This is a technical tool, data medium exchange. Okay, this will be sent, the data will be sent via DME tool. I'm just exploring this tool. Okay, once I learn, I'll send you the recording. So F110 payment details will be provided to bank via DME tool. So in the format, in file, in a flat file or XML file format. XML file format. So all the details, vendor details, right? When you're sending these details, what does it mean? The company, what is the supplier, what is the amount that it is you are making payment to the vendor. So all the details will be sent to the bank. Payment details will be provided to the bank via DME tool in a flat file or XML file format. Is this is clear? If you are clear, then I will go to the next step.
Yes.
This process will be repeated for each and every payment or how, sir?
Sir, F110, if you are making for 1000 suppliers, thousands of payment, then the information will be sent to bank.
అంటే నాకు అంటే క్వశ్చన్ సార్ లైక్ అమౌంట్ సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఒక వెండర్కి
Everything,
మనము
sir. Yes, everything will be sent, sir. ఇన్వాయిస్ ఎంత, వెండర్ ఎవరు, అమౌంట్ ఎంత పే చేయాలి, బ్యాంకు, అన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫైల్లో ఉంటుంది.
అంటే మన ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ టు ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ చేస్తాం అనమాట.
ఎస్, ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ డేటా పంపించేస్తాం. బేసికల్గా నీ నీ ఈ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ డేటా పంపించేస్తాం.
ఓకే,
సరిపోతుందా? ఈ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ సరిపోతుంది కదా బ్యాంకుకి?
ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అవును సార్.
అన్నీ ఉంటాయి డీటెయిల్స్, రైట్? వెండర్ బ్యాంక్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఉంటాయి,
అంటే ఈ పర్టికులర్ వెండర్కి
అన్ని.
1000 ఇంకో దానికి ఎంత
ఎస్, పర్టికులర్ ఈ ఇన్వాయిస్కి పర్టికులర్ రెఫరెన్స్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఏ ఇన్వాయిస్కి పేమెంట్ జరుగుతుంది అనేది కూడా ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే ఓకే.
So we'll be sending all the details, payment run details. Okay.
Okay,
After this, what bank will do? Bank will make payment. Bank will make payment.
వెండర్స్.
Payment to suppliers, right? Based on the file received from SAP. Do you agree?
Yes sir.
Yes, yes, sir. Details.
Based on the
also.
file received from SAP. So bank will make payment, not only payments but even receipts and everything, all the transactions. Okay, received. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now bank has made payment to the vendors and everything. But at the end of the month, what is the, what bank will do? Bank will send bank statement to the company. Do you agree?
Yes.
This bank statement will have all this information, whatever the payment has made to from the bank to the all the suppliers, right?
From bank side and everything. Yeah.
So our bank will send all the information. Bank state. You will see in the bank statement. You will see all the information what bank has done with the transactions, to whom they have sent the payment. Not only suppliers, but even companies' transactions will be paid by the bank statement, bank only, right? Some dividend transactions and everything. So all the bank transactions will be updated in the bank statement, and bank statement will be sent to the company. Now what company will do? Company will upload, what it will upload? Bank statement in SAP. So again, file format. How many types of file format? Many will be there, like XML or like not XML, but usually MT940 file format, bank file format. Okay, file format, and you will see multi-cache. Okay, you will see BA2 file format. Many are there in the market. Okay, so I see these are the different file formats. Okay, but we'll learn, at least try to understand one file format. This is the one. Now what happens when you upload the bank statement in SAP system? In SAP system, this will get cleared. Do you agree? Bank, this will get debited. Bank outgoing account, which is debited, and this will your main bank account, which is house bank account. Main bank account will get credited. So your actual transaction, vendor to your this one, vendor to bank account, this is getting nullified. This is cleared. Do you agree?
Yes sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
you are clearing this bank outgoing. This is called, so open item. This is cleared at that bank at the time of bank statement. So overall, you are putting you're making payment. Ultimately, you are making payment with the main bank account, vendor to main bank. So this is interim clearing account. So until we receive the bank statement, we'll not come to know whether the payment has been made by the bank to the vendor or not.
Okay.
Otherwise this will keep open only, right? By seeing this account, by seeing this account I'll come to know whether the payment has been done or not, since it will show as an open item. This will get cleared only when we receive the bank statement from the bank. Now we are learning this part. Okay, so bank statement will clear your outgoing accounts. Also we have incoming accounts. What is income, sir? Incoming account at the time of customer invoice, what is the payment, incoming payment from customer? Tell me.
Bank account to customer.
Bank incoming, sir, we are receiving amount from the customer, so bank incoming account to customer.
Customer.
Yes.
So debit and credit. This is also clearing account, open item account. So at the time of bank statement what happens? This becomes credit.
Yeah.
Ultimately it goes to the main bank account because we are receiving money from the customer, main bank. Is that clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is very, very important. That's the reason I'm just putting pressure on you.
So
Okay.
here main bank will be the cleared
Ha.
account.
So overall, yes, main bank account will be debited. And see, to keep it very simple, we have main bank account, which is house bank account. Okay. Main house bank account or companies. This is your bank incoming. We'll create some couple of GL accounts, bank incoming and bank outgoing.
Outgoing.
Only three GL accounts, sir. For each bank, you have to create like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is what we are going to learn now. Now, I'll explain you what is a file format, but this one. So sending F110, we learned payment run, right? And the only thing is I need to research on this one, DME tool. Okay. Once I research this tool, then I'll record it and I'll send it to you. But this part, so bank will make payment, and this is fine. The bank statement. Okay. Now I'll explain you on the bank statement. So SPRO, please concentrate, sir. Financial accounting. So we are in which area, sir? Vijay sir, we are under which area?
Bank accounting we have to go.
So very good. Next,
Finance.
sir, under bank accounting.
Bank accounts.
No, sir. Bank business transactions.
Business.
So under this one, which area?
Transactions.
Cash general.
Sorry.
Payment transactions.
Payment transactions. Under this one, payment transactions. Under this one, what we are learning?
Electronic
Bank statement.
Electronic. And
EDS.
you may got doubt, right? But usually it's 98% everyone is working on the electronic bank statement. No one is using manual bank statement. But if you want, I can record it. Okay, it's not very important. So electronic bank statement, because you will see thousands of transactions. Who will perform the manually thousands of transactions, sir? No one, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
everything will be electronic. So now we are learning electronic bank statement. If you want to know full details, you can go through the activity documentation where SAP has provided a lot of documentation for each setting. If you really want to learn SAP, then you can go with the documentations. Now click on execution option. So this is a T code where it will take you to the OT83 chart. What is the chart of accounts for our company code? VCOA, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if you look at here under this one, OT83 it is. Okay. Transaction it is not showing, but this transaction code is OT83 shortcut key. Now, account symbols. What are the different types of business transactions you will see, sir? Simple. What kind of business? What are the different kind of transactions? One is like customer payment. One is vendor payment, right? Agree? You might see some
Yes, sir.
bank. So bank interest will charged by the bank. Interest is provided, right, to the customer, to the company. Or like bank charges will be charged by the bank, or on behalf of company, bank will make payment of the premium. So you'll see a number of business transactions. Okay, so let us understand the basic details like the customer payment or vendor payment, the transactions will get cleared. We'll see. If you understand that those areas, then you will understand everything. So account symbol, we have to define some account symbols. Okay, account symbols is an identification again. You can give as much as, I don't think this will work. Yeah, you can give as much as identification. So what we'll do, we'll create it. I'm just saving it out. So new entries. So let us create some this account symbols. business transactions. So what is our company code? VZ
01.
CD. Okay, CD is not but nothing but
That's bank.
customer deposit. Okay,
Okay.
customer deposit. Give me a minute. I'm getting one call from
Sure, sir.